After the last green plantain video, a lot of us left beautiful comment for me asking me to make more videos using only one ingredient. So I have another one today. Hello, creative bangers. Let's begin. Now we start by making the salt solution. In a bowl of water, we are going to add about half tablespoon of salt. This depends on the quantity of yam that we are going to use. Okay, now the only ingredient that we'll be using is yam. If you live abroad, any Afro shop, you can get yam from there. If you are in Africa, precisely Nigeria and Ghana, we have a lot of yam in the market. In fact, we have it in Nyafo Nyafo. Okay, now you are going to cut the yam as demonstrated. Mind you, you can always cut in any shape that you prefer, but I will advise you go with the same shape with mine, okay? Once you cut the yam, the quantity that you are going to use, go ahead and peel the yam. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, like I mentioned earlier, you go ahead and peel the yam. After peeling, it will look a bit dirty. Yes, it's normal. Okay, go ahead and rinse thoroughly till it is thoroughly clean. Okay, as you can see on the video. Now, using the same gadgets we used previously on the green plantain, please, if you haven't watched that video, you need to watch it. The green plantain, we use this part of the gadget. Today, we'll be using the ending part. I told you that you can perform a lot of wonders using this small but mighty gadget. This is a gadget that you need to have in your kitchen, trust me. Okay, with this gadget, just go ahead and cut. Any shape, any sizes that you prefer. Look at what we have. Are you loving it? If you are with me, type I love the shape at the comment section. Okay, these are the shape that we have. You can see that we have varieties of shape. Okay, after cutting with the gadget, straight into the salt solution. Okay, now why I made the salt solution is because sometimes after cutting the yam, they might change color. I don't know why that happened, but that is why we made the salt solution, to retain the original white color of the yam. Okay, and at the same time is another way of salting the yam. Okay, now go ahead and repeat the same process with the other ones. Beautiful shout out to you, Ruth, watching from Glasgow, Clemens from Gabon, Patricia from Johannesburg, South Africa, Tessie watching from Nigeria, and Angeline all the way from Toronto, Canada. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay. All right, after cutting, I added turmeric powder. Do you know why I did that? Because of my child. He doesn't like yam. So this is one of the ways that I trick him to eat yam. So if you don't like the color, please skip it. Go ahead and fry, bake or air fry just the way the yam is. Okay, no addition of any other thing. If you want to fry, in order to add extra flavor, I move in with a bulb of onion. Okay, now once that is boiling, you know that the oil is ready. Moving with the yam. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that you're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Don't forget to hype this video. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for doing that. Okay, now after dropping the yams into the hot oil, allow to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, now my son is that one person that doesn't love, like he doesn't like boiled yam, but once I do it this way, this boy is going to eat and eat and eat. Okay, he eats it as a food, also as a snack. Okay, now after frying, once it becomes crunchy, crispy, take it out of the hot oil. Put in a strainer to drain out the excess oil, and that is basically all for this simple food and the snack. Creative bangers, we are done. Do you love this recipe? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It is ready. Now, if you don't like the color like I mentioned earlier, you can skip the adding of turmeric. Look at that. It tastes so good. Trust me. Very crunchy. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. Even a day-old baby can enjoy from this. Don't mind me. I was only joking. Okay, because we are going out, this is how I package it for them, especially when I don't want them to eat from the store. All right. Now, I added some ketchup that it is totally optional anyways. Then I put some toothpick for easy dipping. Okay, cover, and that's it. Off we go. If you watch up on this moment, type VIP packaging at the comment section. Are you loving it? In fact, you can package in any way that you prefer. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.